Hello everyone, I am Piali. Welcome to our channel Pan to Platter. Today I am preparing a Bengali traditional recipe Rui Maach Bhape or steamed Rohu fish in microwave. Let's begin. To make this recipe, you will need Rohu fish or Rui Maach, mustard powder or mustard paste, turmeric, coconut paste, curd, mustard oil, green chili, salt, coriander leaves and water. First, prick the fish pieces with a fork to ensure that the marinade penetrates well. Now we prepare the marinade. Add mustard powder. Then add turmeric. Now add coconut paste. Add curd. Mix them properly. Ensure that there are no lumps. Add salt as per taste. Add mustard oil. Now add water and mix again. You can add more water if you want a bit more gravy. Now rub the marinade onto the fish pieces. Make sure all the pieces are coated properly. Keep it aside for 20 minutes. Now add the green chilies into the marinated fish. Add some mustard oil on top. Cover the cooking bowl with cling wrap. You can also use a lid to cover it. In case of cling wrap, make sure you prick it with a fork to allow the steam to escape. Microwave it for 4 to 5 minutes in full power. After it is done, let it rest for 2 minutes. Garnish it with coriander leaves. The fish is now ready to serve.